We are located in France, where we produce many kinds of tools. We are mostly focused on certain drills, countersinks. We produce them on robotised machines that we design ourselves. I am Maxime Matthey, CEO of Magafor company. We are very strong on the European market, but also in many Asian countries. And thanks to KatanaMech, we developed strongly ourselves in India, and we have a very interesting growth perspective over the next years.
I am Tarun Chaudhary, Managing Director at KatanaMech Solutions, and we are partner with Magafor, France company. They are into business since 90 years.
We are also more specialized in micro tools. We have a very wide range of micro drills, hand mills, micro hand mills, reamers, and we manage to make very small products up to 3 mm for micro drills, but starting at 0.1 mm. And on reamers, we have a very, very precise tolerance because we can start very small with a 0.005 mm increment.